Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Charger, that generation guys that you see right here from year 2014 all the way to year 2024. If you guys need to find where the air conditioner clutch fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, the good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, the air conditioner clutch fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will guys demonstrate on the generation Dodge Charger here. Now guys, if you own that Dodge Charger, that generation, there is more than one fuse boxes. Most people do not know where they're located. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Dodge Charger guys. So what we need to do first, we need to open the hood, and when you open the hood on your Dodge Charger facing the engine on the left side here, that's on the passenger side, you have a fuse box. Press these two tabs, open the cover, and you have that fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what we need to check specifically, 2 fuses we need to check here, and then we need to go to a different fuse box and check up to 3 more. Now those fuses will be for the AC compressor, AC clutch, climate control, so you need to check all of them. The first one is, that's fuse number, let's zoom in a little bit, that's 1, 2, 3, so that's 9, 10, 11, 12, fuse number 12 right here, that's the one that you need to check. Then you need to check fuse number 39 right there. After that you need to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger, and on the very back lift the carpet liner up. You're going to find the spare tire, car battery, and behind the car battery you have a fuse box. That's a better angle. Here, see, that's a car battery here, spare tire, fuse box. Press this tab here, open that cover, and you have that layout here. Now specifically guys, here we need to check fuse number 15, that fuse right here. You need to check fuse number 32. So that 25 amp fuse is 31. Next to it, the next one is 32. It's a 15 amp fuse, that one that's barely visible. Check that one. And you need to check fuse number 53. If you guys have a problem where the AC doesn't work, it blows hot air, we have videos on the channel that will explain guys how to fix that step by step, so you can fix your AC on your own. So this guy's Dodge Charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays, put guys some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.